I'm going to take out all my yarrow down here while my husband is mowing the yard, and I'll put it on time lapse. That way you don't have to hear all that. But we've been cleaning up a little bit around here. My husband got the blower out and blowed the leaves, and then he mulched them, and they go back in the ground. So this is where I'm at, because I'm going to do something different up here, and I will be pulling them out. Okay, got that done. I have mosquito bites to prove it. And there'll be little spurts of it that will grow back, and I'll just pull them as it goes. That's what I had to do out in my garden when it took it over. And always finding little sprouts. I think it's almost done out here, but I haven't seen any new little spurts of yarrow coming up, so I think it's good. Lettuce is doing good. It loved this cool weather when I got up this morning and I didn't come outside till 10 o'clock, and I had to put a long sleeve shirt on. It was chilly. It was like 65 degrees, and it was a little humid, but it was nice. So, but now the sun's come out and it's starting to get warm. Matt's finishing up the yard, and we'll probably take a break after that, and he always does such a nice job. So we've been talking about our plans for those cedar trees and getting someone to help them, because they're going to be heavy, and have to carry them over to the brush pile. So it will be filled up this fall. Don't get me wrong, it will be full of pruning trees and all that, and then we'll have to get a professional in here. No, I think Matt said he could take down this mimosa tree, and this mimosa tree here, I love mimosa trees. I think they're beautiful. But up next to the house, it gets to be a mess, especially if you end up with webworms. So I'm going to desperately try to find out what I can do to prevent those webworms, because they just make a mess of the roof. And we've got we have those gutter covers, but it still gets in there, and because their leaves are so little. So this will be down, and look where that sun comes from in the mornings. With that being down, it'll bring a lot of sun, morning sun, back into this garden. And I've got braided rope that my brother found at a restore place, and he asked me if I wanted a roll of it. It's 250 feet of braided, not twisted, but braided rope, and I'm going to use that to kind of fence up the dahlias and the zinnias next year, and probably the cosmos a little bit, because of our winds that we get. We get sharp winds, and it likes to flatten things. So luckily my dahlias have made it through most of that. And look, she's about to, where is that bug? I'll come in here. I'll go around my garden, show you. She's gonna put another one of those beautiful flowers on. Can't wait. Oh, what's that? Well, some of them are getting kind of brown spots and leaves, but that's okay. I usually get them pruned off, and that's it. Lessons learned this season is fence up your zinnias and your dahlias, and we'll turn this thing back into a raised bed and put some good old manure dirt in it. And with the manure, you don't really have to fertilize it. It just, it's the best stuff out there. I swear by it. Well, we got that fresh manure dirt from the farmer. It was years, and I had huge, I mean huge, beefsteak tomatoes and big boys, and they were so good. My kids wait every year for me to make those tomatoes, and the last few years when I go get tomato plants, it's like I get there too late because all the beefsteaks are gone. But the dirt, the good dirt, has pretty much washed away. So we want to kind of keep that from happening when I put this new dirt in here. So, but anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.